Hey guys, I have a very big announcement that I want to make. As an agency, we hit the first page of Google after 8 months of work on our own SEO. I found it worth a while more to invest our hard-earned dollars into organic SEO than into investing into PPC. And it's not as if we haven't invested into PPC in the past, but long story short, start January this year, we started optimizing for Web Design Agency Chicago and Web Design Chicago. And right now we're sitting on a position number 2. I want to say that our investment was mostly concentrated around sweat equity, meaning we were putting in the real, actual, actionable, tangible work to get us to this position. This is an incognito. It's confirmed across different browsers and different devices that this is the position that we're having. And I'm really happy that it only took us 8 months. So there may have been some luck, but the biggest reason why we got there is because we restructured the content. We were publishing regularly. We were very committed to doing the internal linking. We didn't create too much of a philosophy. This was a basic SEO. We've done this for our clients, and it's finally a time that we've done this for ourselves. So this page is now getting a lot of rework done as we're moving to the next phase of growing this position from position number 2 to position number 1. And that's going to be a little bit of a challenge, but I'm confident that we will move the needle to the first position by utilizing even better PR, higher quality backlinks that we haven't been deploying so far. And it's opening up a lot of avenues as to what we can do by consistently creating content for our website. And this is something that we also do for our clients. So if you need to get on the first page of Google, feel free to get in touch with us. So this particular keyword, Web Design Agency Chicago, it's actually, one second, Ubersuggest is finding a lot of stuff over here. Some of this is a little bit outdated, but here it is. It's suggesting that we are position number 5. I think it's like there's a little bit of a delay over here. There's around 390 searches per month. They're saying that we will get five clicks. So I think on a position number 2, we should be getting like more than that. But long story short, the results are kicking in, and I'm super stoked about the next steps. SEO difficulty according to SEMrush is like 48, like so below the threshold. We got like a lot of other positions that are focused around the keyword Chicago, and everything's like hovering over that second page, and now it's moving to the first one. So that's giving us a lot of confidence that moving forward, our lead gen channel will primarily come from organic SEO versus coming from the Upwork as it was the case in the past. So investing into a solid position in SEO really gives your company a staying power, because even as of now, we are starting to get phone calls from people just calling us up from our website, asking us to complete websites for them. I think that SEO really doesn't discriminate. When you are having a reliable SEO partner on your site, they will be able to help you get those first page rankings and kind of know their way around to do this cost effectively, so that we as a provider can make money and we can deliver value for you as the client to get you on the source of recurring business coming to your company and to your sales teams. So that being said, I don't want to beat around the bush too much. I wanted to share this milestone for our company, something that we've been working very hard for the past 8 months, and looking forward to potentially working with you. And thank you for watching. If you want to get more SEO tips and how you can move your business forward, please like and subscribe. This content is going to be completely free. If you don't need anything, consider it like a freebie on my behalf. I genuinely want to help all of you watching me to achieve the results that we've been achieving. Anyhow, until next video, over and out. This is Brian from Alpha Efficiency, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side.